Okay, so due to number 5, they give you, there are 1 and 2 lines, and this is your x and your y axis. Okay, it's right here too in the print. And we need to show the inequalities that represent this graph. So we're kind of working backwards. Okay, so I'm going to start with this dashed line. I know it is dashed. Okay, and I'm going to, just like we did back in the day, I'm going to get 2 points from this line and figure out the slope. Okay, so here I'm going to have this right here and this point over here. So I'm going to go up 2 across 1. So my slope is 2. Okay, I can also put this into the calculator, these 2 points, to figure out the equation of the line like I had taught you before. This is 2, 1, the point 2, 1, and this point is 3, 3. Okay, you can also keep counting. Okay, so here if I went up 2 and across 1, I can also reverse it down 2 to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1 to figure out what the origin is. So this would be like -1, -2, -3. So if I go down 2, it would be -3, 0. Okay, so here I know that my y-intercept would be -3. Okay, and I have my y, but this is an inequality because the line is dashed and there is shading. So if the line is dashed, I already know that if there's no line underneath. Here's my line, and it was shaded underneath, so I know it's going to be less than, and I don't have to put a line underneath. Okay, so that's the red one. The blue one, okay, so the blue one right here is a horizontal line. So I know that my slope is 0. I don't have to have an x. Okay, so it's going to be the y and a number. Okay, so then I'm going to go to my y and figure out what it is. This is 4 and this is 5. Okay, so let me figure out if this goes, by 1. Okay, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it crosses at 5. So I already know it's going to be 5. Now I have to figure out if it's less than or greater than. Okay, so here's my line. And it was shaded on the top, which means that it's going to have to be greater than. It is dashed. So if it is dashed, I leave it. I don't need to put a line underneath. So these are the inequalities that were used to graph that.